Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am going to share how to make homemade popcorn chicken, and this is going to be your new favorite chicken recipe. And also, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see new recipes.
Check out all the ingredients that we are going to use. Cut 500 grams of chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. I prefer chicken thighs because it doesn't dry out easily. Let's make our spice mix. We got paprika, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, brown sugar and salt. Combine everything together. Add 2 tablespoons of spice mix that we just made into the chicken and mix them really well. Leave the chicken for about an hour to marinate. Let's prepare the flour base. Add 1½ cup of plain flour and ½ cup of corn flour. Then add the leftover spice mix from earlier. Give them all a good mix. We are also going to crack 1 egg and add 1 cup of water into a bowl. This is to dip our chicken in order to create the crispy outside. Add some seasoning to this and give it a good mix. Bring everything closer as we are going to start the coating chicken now. Place few pieces of chicken into the flour and coat the pieces well. Shake the excess flour off and dip into the egg mixture. Let the chicken drain well so we don't end up getting lumpy flour. Add them back into the flour and coat them really well. Place them in a bowl. Make this chicken in smaller batches so it is easier to work with. And the reason for double coating is to get that crispy flaky chicken. Once the oil is warm, add the chicken. Fry this for about 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. Chicken pieces looks great and cooked beautifully, and we are ready to serve. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.